These are the Broad Street elevators here at the South Avenue Garage here in Rochester, New York. It's right there now. OTIS Gen2s. Ticket to 8. These used to be Haughtons with the L series fixtures, now they're Gen2s. These don't run as fast as they used to when they were Haughtons. We are at 8. There's the high elevator next. There's a view going down. Just a basic newer OTIS elevator. Nothing too special. Not going to the Metropolitan because the elevators there weren't anything special. Anymore, at least. Watch the button go out. Let me get there. Alright. I love this. There's the elevator, and that's it.